think this is it. Yeah, this is some thick mud. It's like beyond me. Every step just takes so much effort. Oof. This thing is gonna fall apart by the time I'm done with it. Then I still have 4.5 miles to go, and this is just getting rougher and rougher. Definitely would not recommend coming here right after heavy rainfall. Oh, it's muddy. I think this is it. Unless I could find a spot to just pull over and hike an additional 4 miles on top of the 5-mile hike. Oh yeah, I'm fairly certain I do not want to go in here. I got tractions on one side, but this is an open differential, so that side there would be no power to the wheels on this side, and I would just be spinning out on the left side. Yeah, this is some thick mud. There's like a camp spot to the left. I would actually put on chains and try to get in here. Ooh, this is a camp spot. Amazing. All right, I'm definitely putting on the chains and coming here. Okay, I'll set up in here. Okay, this is going to be my first time testing chains in the mud. I think I read some time ago that chains are not very good in mud, but you know, let's give it a try. Woo! I think I got it. Ooh, the air is like sliding. Hello. There is no way I would have made it without chains. No freaking way. Chains do help in mud a little bit. Maybe not in super extreme stuff, but on stuff like this. Okay, so I'm gonna be able to do the hike. I'll hike from here, but I think I'll do it tomorrow because it's getting kind of late. Yeah, this spot is amazing. Views all around. Super peaceful in here. Castle Peak is right over there. I think I'm ready to conquer. So a little change of plans. I figured I'll just do an overnight hike. As you can see, it's quite a bit of gear. So the goal is to make it to the trail, get to the end of the trail, and then set up camp somewhere close to the Castle Peak and did some weight and try to make it up. Come down, camp, and then in the morning head back. I think snowshoes would have helped a little bit on some of these sections. It appears like the roads are basically the only thing that's super snowed in. The rest is like snowed in patches and it's not as deep. So I'll just stay close to the road and trek on. Kind of wish I brought my snowshoes now. They would have been perfect for this. This is kind of wet, not some soft stuff, so I would have been just floating on top of it. Instead, there's like snow up to my knees.
Were you a bit intimidated by him? Was he, how did the myth match up with the man himself?
I wasn't intimidated by Gordon at all.
This is an urgent public announcement.
Stop! Stop everything. We have gone better computers. We don't need fasters. We don't need to litter the skies with metal trash and the
I was around Gordon for what could be referred to as his darker periods as well as his lighter periods, but I never found it.
It's gonna be super tough. I just keep sinking to my knees. Every step, it just takes so much effort. I'm thinking, I don't see much snow on top of that hill. What if I just trekked on top of it? But anyway, I'll get on top of this hill and I'll analyze the situation. Because this is too much without snowshoes. This is like the perfect snow for snowshoes. Because it's super wet, not some soft powdery stuff. I wouldn't be sinking more than like 2-3 inches. Instead, I'm sinking 2 feet. Oh, I'm stuck. Ugh. Oh. I feel like it would be quicker just trying to roll uphill. Oh, okay, this is, oh no, it's not. I thought it was a little bit harder. It's like beyond the knees now. Okay, this is not looking too bad from this hill, but I gotta go like all the way. I can't even see the peak from here, but it's somewhere behind, like all the way in the back. Still gotta go as far as the eye could see. I think I'll do a little fly with the drone to see if it's if there's any point in going forward today without snowshoes. Okay, the drone made the final decision. This is a no-go. Right behind that hill, you have all this nice snowless patch, and over there a snowless hill. Behind it, it's all snow, all uphill and all snow. Higher altitude, the snow is probably even deeper to, you know, the closer you get to the peak. Snowshoes are a must. So this is what I have to deal with. And these holes are already made. Previously I was struggling to get my foot out. See here. Beyond the knee. There's no way I would have been able to make it. 7:20, just got back. Tired, hungry, covered in mud, sweaty. I need some rest.